Hi guys, today I'm going to try to get out of prison. I'm in prison right now, please help. I can't, I don't know if the guy can just move that out of the way. How do I get this? What's that? I am bird. And now there we go. Anyways, I'm trying to get out of prison because I'm trapped in prison, right? I'm going to think of a new idea. But when I'm out, I can't go back in. Okay, I'm going to try breaking the Iron Bird game today. No, the ocean! Alright. Okay, alright. Oh god. If I fall, I am dead. Well, anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna try breaking the Iron Bird game.
Next block.
Fire! Oh, actually, no. I'm gonna try getting to all 5 stars. Yike! Oopsie, yeah. Oh, see, getting all 5 stars is a really hard thing to do now in the new arcade. Like, since... But anyway, I didn't say mine by doing this. Alibi. Yeah, Pedin gun. Let's see, one more star. By 5 times, since it's literally since it's Wednesday right now, well, in my country, I'm literally on a school day today, so yeah, it's great. I've already got most of them. I don't got the grenade. Right? What's that do? Just shoot someone with whatever. Oh, that's what it does. Haha. That's cool.
Like I remembered the stove.
Bye.
30 seconds to the mayor's address.
Sorry.
Move to the square now. Power walks count.
Oh god, oh god. Just for content, dude. But where'd it go? Bye, Dad. Let it go. Bye-bye. See you.
I'm not sticking around for
See you
this.
in the house.
Pick a direction and sprint.
In heaven. See you in the sky. See you in the sky. See you in the sky.
Confirmed.
No, I'm gonna do something, yeah? I'm gonna Oh my god! Oh my god!
Take the alley. Move!
Take the hint.
Goodbye, Dignity. Hello, Speed.
So I'm front of the car.
Not much.
Put my gun on the... Oh no! My god!
Round that bird. Relay back in.
A couple more touch.
Round that bird. Feather fetch. Target acquired. Eating. Did you grab?
I don't like. I can recognize my stone. Whatever this thing is. Lifting. I'm just gonna call this the lifting. Lifting! It'd be fun to go then. Not an Airbus, an air car. Oh my god. Oh my god, how do people survive? Oh yeah, Airbus!
Do not crouch. Shoot from cover. Target in sight.
Stop getting a hat!
Feathered bow.
Get it onto my Airbus!
Turn left for no
Yay!
reason. Down you go, feathery bandit. Hello,
Airbus.
Down you go, feathery bandit.
What's the Airbus? It's an Airbus. It's literally called an Airbus for a reason. When I go to this Airbus. Oh no! No!
Think fast.
Take that.
Tweak this throw.
You're six.
Bye.
Catch him. Nope.
Catch this feather.
Out of my airspace.
This one's for my
Going
pride.
like
No.
big boot.
Yeah, bye bye.
Did you do it?
Wing comb. This one's for my pride.
Need help.
Pin it high. Deny I'm bowling.
That punch sounded bad.
Oh. Anyways, how long has this video been lasting? Well, anyways, it's the end of this video, folks. Like and subscribe, or else I will use this gun on you and do this.
If I trip, it's performance.
Do this. Yeah, no, that's fine. Yeah, so like and subscribe,
Get it, kilometer.
or else that'll happen.